Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Joselito Kakilala. Kilala ko siya. Contemporary ko siya. He's a PMAer General. May magandang post niya. Kaya lang maanghang ang salita para kay Senator Ping Lacson, kapwa nila PMAer. Sabi dito, Senator Panfilo Lacson is quibbling. Ano yung quibbling? Tinignan ko sa Google. Yung fighting, objecting over trivial or small matters. It is painful. Sabi niya, no, infuriating to watch Senator Panfilo Lacson, once revered as a man of steel nerves, hesitate at the precise moment the nation demands courage. Diba? Ang motto ng mga PMAers, courage, loyalty, integrity. Sa panahon na dapat magpakita ng courage si Senator Lacson na sa PMAer, wala daw, hindi niya nagawa. This is the same Lacson who, as chief of the PNP, stood unflinching before hardened criminals and corrupt officials who ruled through fear and intimidation. Yes, as PNP chief, saludo ako dito kay General Ping Lacson. But ngayon nag-iba. Yet today, as chairman of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, he appears to falter before the stance, baho, of the multi-billion peso ghost and substandard flood control projects that have bled the Filipino dry. Over and over, we are fed the same excuse. Walang resibo directly linking Speaker Martin Romualdez as the mastermind. But the law is not so naive. By the way, graduate ito ng law, ng honoris, ano ba yun? Board exam. Nag-retire na siya sa general, kumuha ng law degree, tapos na siya. Maybe ngayon, nagre-review na siya to take the bar exam. Matalino ito, matapang, bimedaled officer, general. Okay. But the law is not so naive, and justice is not so blind. Criminal liability is not built on direct evidence alone. Circumstantial evidence, when consistent, corroborated, and reinforced by multiple witnesses and official records, can be just as damning. Ulitin ko bar exam na lang ang kulang niya para maging tunay na abogado. Bilib ako dito nag-retire na kami. Later on, nalaman ko, mag-graduate na siya ng law degree niya. Grabe. That is not rhetoric. That is black letter law. And let us be clear. The record is far from barren. Witnesses have spoken. Documents exist. The files of Yusek Lorde Cabral, the General Appropriations Act itself, all point toward a powerful figure in Congress armed with a discretionary authority. The very power required to engineer a conspiracy is steeped in plunder and direct bribery. The footprints are unmistakable. Yet, instead of confrontation, we are given quibbling. In the Philippine Military Academy, quibbling is not a harmless flaw. It is an honor violation. A cadet does not lie, does not cheat, and does not tolerate violations of the honor code. To equivocate in the face of truth is in itself a betrayal. The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearings are not yet over. There remains a narrow but decisive window for reckoning. The Filipino people hope, they demand that Senator Lacson finally connect the dots and lay bare the direct and circumstantial evidence that will expose the true architect of this grand blueprint of corruption and plunder. The Filipino people now throw down the gauntlet and urging Senator Lacson to stop quibbling. The nation is watching and the people will not forget. Grabe. Salamat, Bok, sa article mong ito. I agree with you. I am one with you na yung hinahangaan natin noon na man of steel nga Senator Lacson, nagbago na. Nag-iba na ang ihip ng hangin. Bakit kaya? Ito, yung binasa ko ang mga comments. Maraming nag-comments, kailan may tatlong mga PMAers. Poros General ito, nagko-comment. Ito, una, Paul Sumayo. Magmista sila. I believe he has everything he needs to name and bring to justice the mastermind of the flood control corruption scandal. Maybe someone or something is holding him off. May pumipigil ba? With his holding, the Senate will have a very strong basis to convict Marcos. So, hindi ko na lang basahin yung mga iba. Punta tayo sa iba. O, yun. Si General Romeo B. Poque, sabi niya, let me share this. Brother Cavalier Joey. Kasi Joey kakilala siya. Sinare niyo na. Agree si General Poque tungkol nito. Sino pa? May isa pang general na nakita ko. Si Jaylee Tindoy. I think magmimista sila ni General kakilala. Indeed, Senator is quibbling big time. Anyway, sana mabasa ito o makarating ito kay Senator Lacson. Nakita ko, he's trying his best naman, balancing his act. Kailang parang may pumipigil kung boxer pa, kaya niyang patumbahin yung kalaban niya. Kailang parang naawa o parang there is something holding him up. Sayang. Ang ganda yung simula ng kanyang hearing noon. Kailang nung lumabas si Orly Gutesa doon, nagbago ang kanyang direksyon. Sana mabawi pa. Sana magpakitang gila si Senator Lacson. A premier, courage, integrity, loyalty. Dapat ang loyalty niya sa Diyos, sa tao at sa bayan, hindi sa mga politiko kung sino man dyan.